I'm gonna follow these instructions. Take a look at that. All these different parts. Got them in my kit right here. I'm pulling this protective coating off of this plastic piece. I'm attaching these little metal squares to the sides of these motors right here. All right, check it out. We got all 4 motors attached and screwed in. I'm gonna set up this little stand with these plastic screws so that way this little computer chip can actually sit on top of there. I'm gonna screw in some more screws right in there. I'm also gonna be attaching a little voltage meter here. I've got the Arduino board attached with only 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3, although I put 4 blockades on the back. Also got a little battery thing attached here. Noticing I used super flat screws so that way it wouldn't interrupt the batteries. Now I'm gonna be getting this Wi-Fi shield, and I got this thing that way and this thing that way, and I'm just gonna be jamming it together. We're gonna be attaching these little pieces from the car motors right in there. Also had to attach this little wire here, noting that the red one goes to the ground right here, and the other one over here, again, lining it up to the third one, which would be ground, G and D. Next step is going to be lining up this multicolored thing. Notice on this side I have red at EMB, and on the left I have EMA. That's going to be black, or ENA. That's going to be this thing right here that we're looking at, EMB, ENA, and we're going to be connecting it to a couple different pins over here, so just keeping that in mind. We're also going to be attaching this little pin from the 12 volts there to the 12 volts there. You can see we've kind of got this connected. Jesus. And we're going to take the battery box and plug it right into that little sucker right there. Next, we'll be attaching 5 copper pillars to this, so that way you can get these things to stick together. Now, one of the sneaky things I'm going to do is I'm going to put these wires through these holes here, and I'll just reconnect them where they were. We have attached it all together. Take a look. We're going to run it next time.